Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm going to show you how to upload ebook on Gumroad. So first of all, go ahead to your browser. Basically, go ahead and sign in with your account on Gumroad. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to click the three bars at the top right. You're going to see right here multiple options. Click on products, right? And then what I'm going to do, I'm going to hit the new product at the top right. Okay, scroll a little bit down and select the ebook, because comic or PDF file will makes it easier for people to reach out to your book. So I'm gonna just hit ebook right here, right? And then basically I'm gonna hit next, customize, right? And then add the name of the product right here. Let's say hi, and then hit the price and then customize, and then add the price right here. Let's say $77, and then hit next, right? And then basically you can start by typing the description of that book, right, and the URL of your website, right? And then basically you can add a custom domain for your website. Then basically go ahead and add the cover photo for it, and then basically you can just see the thumbnail, add the thumbnail as well. And this is like the product info. If you want to add the product info right here, call to action, I want this, buy this, pay. Just go ahead and click buy this, for example. Summary, you will get maybe like an offer or something, right, for this book. And then scroll a little bit down, add additional details and pages as well for more pages, more prices and all that. Scroll a little bit down, you can see versions of this product. You could just go ahead and add the versions of it, and then scroll a little bit down. Basically after you finish, hit save and then continue, and then basically that's it. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.